Hey, this is Brodie with Vivirito Realty, doing another cocktail video with 4th of July right around the corner. We're gonna do red, white, and blue cocktails. And we already did a red one, which was a strawberry daiquiri. This time we're doing a cocktail called a white lady. And the fun part with all these that we're doing is we're gonna add an egg white to them, which, watch the previous video for the explanation of the egg white, because it's really, really good. So for a white lady, you're gonna need gin, triple sec, lemon juice, simple syrup, and in this case, an egg. If you don't want to do egg whites, you can do the exact same thing and just skip the egg part of the portion of. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of gin. And if you remember back to the ratios of cocktails, we have 1.5 ounces of gin and 1/2 ounce of triple sec. That equals 2 ounces, which is what we've talked about in the past, is 2 ounces of alcohol. 1/2 ounce. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, egg white, dry shake. It's your egg white in there to make it frothy and foamy. So we got that. Add ice. So we said that this was a white cocktail. I may be cheating a little bit with the lemon juice. It might be a little yellow, but let's just all pretend today. We have the white lady.